Hi guys, my name is Anika and his name is Pratim, and today we're going to learn how to make slime. First we're going to make the activator. We need borax and then we need water. And for the slime we're going to need glue, which is super important, shaving gel, and then we need lotion, which is optional. We need paint, which is
optional glitter.
Yeah, glitter is also optional. So first we're gonna make the activator. So we're gonna get our bowl and then we're gonna put some water inside. And then we're just going to put, and then we're gonna put 1 spoon of borax. Put it inside until it dissolves. From now we're gonna start making the slime.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna get our glue,
Cut them.
and we're gonna dump in some of the glue. As much as you want the slime to be. And I think that is done.
Oh, this looks good.
Okay, now we can just close the lid up.
Now they close.
Good. Next, we're gonna put in the shaving gel. Or the shaving foam if you have any. Again, as much as you want.
Can I help?
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. We're just gonna put back the lid. And then we're just going to put in the lotion. Or if you want, you can put in the paint. Good. Next, you're just gonna put in the lotion.
Yes.
Good. And now we're just gonna mix it. We should put as much as you need until it's all to the slime. I think it's kind of working. We're gonna keep on putting in it until it actually turns to slime. Let me show you how it looks so far. Swoopy boopy. Look how they go. I think it's forming. I need to put a little bit more. I first need to put 2 more of this. 2 more of the activator. I'll bring it close so that nothing will fall down. Spoon. Look at it forming. I need to mix a little bit more. Do you guys think it'll work? I probably think it'll work because of how it's going right now. Now it's time for it to put on the glitter. That should be mixy. There. I think it should be so satisfying. So ready. And that's how you make homemade slime.
Box.
Now we just have to put it in the air container box that we got.
No.
And yeah, that's how we make it. In the container. Now I have a tip for you. So you have to put in the air container box when you're done playing with it. When you're done playing with it, you just have to put it in a cold place so that it can stay wet, and yeah, it won't be dry and it'll be scratchy. That's all for today, guys. Have a good day. Bye.